Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality Krishna Chandra Sharma. He was born on 13th of September 1903. He completed his graduation in law from Meerut College. He was the president of the Youth League in Meerut and was also the president of the Anti-Untouchability Society in Meerut. He was an active member of Congress Party. He was elected to the Constituent Assembly from United Provinces on Congress Party ticket. He spoke on various issues in Assembly like he was against the provisions of contempt of court. He expressed his strong views that there should be a proper administration of justice in civil and criminal matters. He was of view that judges of Indian Supreme Court must be appointed by the President in consultation with the ministers. He also spoke on what is a constitution. Well, let's see that. 5th of November 1948. Krishna Chandra Sharma, quote, "Sir, in considering a constitution, we have to take a note of the fact that the constitution is not an end in itself. A constitution is framed for certain objectives, and these objectives are the general good of the people, the stability of the state, and the growth and development of individual. In India, when we say the growth and development of individual, we mean its self-realization, self-development and self-fulfillment. When we say the development of people, we mean to say a strong and a united nation." So this is what he wanted from the constitution, and these were his views as regards what is a constitution. We are thankful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.